Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Buick LaCrosse. Stock number is 18B15A. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the trunk now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now. Cruise, heated steering wheel controls, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this LaCrosse on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.